Can I hold USD in Wealthsimple? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I hold USD in Wealthsimple? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of diversification. Diversification is a key principle of investing, and it's important to spread your money across different assets to reduce your risk. One way to diversify your portfolio is to invest in foreign currencies. This can be a great way to hedge against fluctuations in your home currency. So, can you hold USD in Wealthsimple? The answer is yes. How to hold USD in Wealthsimple? There are two ways to hold USD in Wealthsimple. Buy a USD-denominated ETF. Wealthsimple offers a number of USD-denominated ETFs that you can invest in. These ETFs track the performance of different assets, such as the S&P 500 or gold. Open a USD account. You can also open a USD account with Wealthsimple. This will allow you to buy and sell USD directly. Benefits of holding USD in Wealthsimple. There are a number of benefits to holding USD in Wealthsimple. Easy to set up and manage. Wealthsimple makes it easy to set up and manage your USD account. Low fees. Wealthsimple offers low fees on their USD accounts. Secure and reliable. Wealthsimple is a secure and reliable platform for investing. Risks of holding USD in Wealthsimple. There are also some risks to holding USD in Wealthsimple. Currency risk. The value of the USD can fluctuate relative to your home currency. This means that you could lose money if the USD falls in value. Foreign exchange fees. There may be foreign exchange fees associated with buying and selling USD. Overall, I believe that holding USD in Wealthsimple is a great way to diversify your portfolio. The benefits of easy setup, low fees, and security outweigh the risks of currency risk and foreign exchange fees. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me.